In this video, I will show you 3 of the best websites where you can watch anime for free and legally. First, we have Bilibili. Simply search for bilibili.com. Open the anime section and browse through the available shows. You can also use the search bar to find a specific anime. Next, we have YouTube. There are official channels like Anyone Asia that upload licensed anime episodes for free. Just search for the channel, open the playlists, and choose the anime you want to watch. Finally, we have Crunchyroll, one of the biggest anime platforms. You can browse its library, search for specific shows, or use genres to discover something new. Keep in mind that free availability can vary by title and region. You have purchased it premium, or you can watch it free by USNG IT Trial. So, those are 3 websites where you can watch anime legally. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel